Hello, how is it? In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with your DiDi app on your phone. So first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store, search bar, search DiDi, right there, DiDi. Here, DiDi app, and check if you have the newest version of the app. If you have the newest version of the app like here, everything should be alright. But if you still get some issues after updating the app, I'm gonna show you 2 more ways how to fix it. So first we go up to the settings, go up to the apps, go here, find your DiDi app, DiDi, permissions, and maybe you just need to allow all of not allowed the permission. Allow. After this, go to the Wi-Fi data usage, scroll down, and unrestricted mobile data usage. After this, everything should be alright, but if it's not, I'm gonna show you last way. Go back to the Play Store, uninstall, and just reinstall the app. After this, everything should be fine with the app. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.